This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to upload receipts in Wave Accounting. If you're a freelancer or small business owner, keeping track of expenses is crucial, and Wave makes it easy to manage your finances in one place. So let's dive in and explore how you can upload your receipts seamlessly. To begin, you need to log into your Wave Accounting account. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a glance at the left sidebar menu. It's your go-to tool for navigating through the various features Wave offers. You'll want to locate and click on the section labeled Accounting. This is where all your financial transactions are organized and easily accessible. After clicking on Accounting, you'll notice a drop-down menu. From there, you need to select Transactions. This selection will take you to the Ledger interface, which is essentially the hub for all your financial activity, including your income and expenses. Now that you're in the Transactions area, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find a button labeled Add Transaction. Click on it, and from the ensuing options, choose Scan Receipt. This feature is particularly handy because it allows you to upload receipts directly from your computer, making it a breeze to keep your records up to date. Once you've clicked on Scan Receipt, a dialog box will pop up inviting you to upload your file. Navigate through your computer's directories to locate the receipt you wish to upload. Simply select the file, and Wave will take care of the rest. It's worth mentioning that Wave supports a variety of file formats, so whether your receipt is a PDF, JPEG, or PNG, you're covered. After you've selected the file, the upload process will begin. Depending on the size of your file and your internet speed, this could take a few moments. Once it's uploaded, Wave will process the receipt and automatically extract key details such as the merchant name, date, and amount. This automation saves you time and effort, ensuring that your records are both accurate and comprehensive. With your receipt successfully uploaded, take a moment to review the extracted details. This is an important step to ensure everything is correct. If you notice any discrepancies, Wave allows you to manually edit the transaction details. Simply click on any field you wish to adjust and enter the correct information. Once you're satisfied with the accuracy of the details, you can save the transaction. Doing this updates your records, providing a clear and organized view of your expenses. This meticulous tracking not only aids in budgeting, but also prepares you for tax season, making it less stressful and more manageable. And there you have it, a straightforward way to upload receipts in Wave Accounting. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your expenses and keep your financial records in order. Remember, staying organized with your accounting not only gives you peace of mind, but also empowers you with the insight needed to make informed business decisions. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Feel free to revisit it anytime you need a refresher, and don't hesitate to explore other features that Wave offers to further streamline your accounting processes. Happy bookkeeping!